Hello everyone, it's Skillet Social. Today I'm going to be talking about how to start a business and what steps to take. Starting a business can be an exciting and overwhelming challenge, but with the right preparation you can be on your way to success. The first step is to come up with an idea. Ask yourself, what kind of business do I want to start? What kind of product or service am I offering? Do some research into the industry and the competition, and make sure you have a unique edge. The next step is to get your business plan together. This should include a description of your business, a market analysis, a financial plan, and a marketing plan. Make sure to include projections for the years ahead to assess the success of your business. Once you have your plan together, you need to find funding. You can apply for grants, take out a loan, or find investors. Make sure to have all the paperwork in order to prove you're a legitimate business. Now it's time to get your company set up. You'll need to decide on a name and get a business license. You'll also need to register your domain name, create a website, and open a business bank account. The next step is to choose a location and create a space for your business. You'll need to purchase supplies, hire employees, and create a system for managing your business. Finally, you need to market your business. You can use social media, advertising, and other tactics to get the word out. Make sure to identify your target market and tailor your marketing to them. Starting a business can be a daunting task, but if you take the time to prepare, you can be on your way to success. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.